So despite that rocky start, we made it to Sudan's major port city and had a little breakfast before heading out on today's adventure.
Donuts and coffee.
Breakfast of champions. Donuts in the morning, can't beat it.
With a little caffeine and sugar in our systems, we began the 2-hour ride to Sanganaib National Park.
This is insane.
Alright, after a 1-hour flight from Khartoum to Port Sudan, and then getting into the accident last night with the camel, we stayed the night in Port Sudan, woke up at sunrise this morning, took a 2-hour boat ride to get to this national park called Sanganaib. Let me tell you, with the permission slips and airport delays and everything like that, this was an absolute mission to get here. But when you put in the hard work, you get rewarded because there's absolutely no one here, and this is the paradise of Sudan. I've never seen this on the internet. This place is absolutely untouched, fish everywhere. I can't wait to get in the water, so let's go.